Good evening. A Sunday before I travel. So I'm traveling on Thursday. So we are kind of going into the final home stretch, which I'm so excited about. If you're wondering where I am with the whole case packing situation, we're going down the vacuum pack route. And I know that doesn't change the actual weight of the case, but here is the issue. I wasn't bringing more items than I've brought in the past, yet why is it so much weightier and just bulkier? There's this one particular pattern that I saw all over Shein, and it was across like all different types of clothing, and I loved it. Almost like an embroidered pattern material. We bought it in every single thing that pattern was on. So dresses, swimwear, one pieces, shirts, trousers, like all of it. Obviously, because it is that like thicker embroidered, it is just bulky. Kind of what's taking up most of the space. So I need to shed about 4 kg out of the case for that to be okay for check-in. 4 kg into my carry-on duffel, which should be doable. So I've bought like smaller vacuum pack bags so that I will be able to fit them into my duffel carry-on. That is the current POA. So it should be arriving tomorrow. So we will reconvene tomorrow to pack this suitcase once and for all. I'm going into like the week of appointments and like time. So I have my waxing, brows, all that appointment on Tuesday. I have my nail appointment on Wednesday. Then my actual flight is like 5 to 6 Thursday morning. So I just feel like the week is going to zoom past. The whole fake tan process will start tomorrow evening. So if there's one thing about me, because I do not tan at all in the sun, and I'm a freak about SPF, I'm applying that shit religiously. I have mastered how to have and maintain a like dark fake tan when I'm abroad, because I obviously rely on it. So but I never document it because I just do it. And I don't even think this is something people want to know about. But then afterwards they're like, well, how'd you get your tan so? And I'm like, So properly document it this time so that you can see what I do, when I do it, what I use. It's literally only 2 products as well. So it's super, super easy. It's just honestly the way in which you do it. But there's no crazy science to it. What else do I need to update you on? Ooh, I cracked my nail really bad. And it's finally like popping off. Now, I don't know how this is going to work for me getting my gels. So yeah, everything kind of starts from tomorrow. Finishing packing the case tomorrow. Starting the fake tan layer 1 tomorrow. And then obviously appointments Tuesday, Wednesday. So it is really going to snowball in. I'm going from the 14th to the 22nd. So it's a nice long break as well. And God, I'm so looking forward to it. Like, I need it. Yeah, that's kind of everything. So we will reconvene tomorrow and we will pack these cases once and for all.